Understanding the essential concept of water. Water, a simple molecule, yet it harbors the mystery of life. A liquid, but not just any liquid. This is the elixir of life. Comprised of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, water's unique molecular structure gives it unparalleled properties, making life possible. Covering over 70% of our planet, water is vital for all forms of life. Its scarcity or abundance can dictate the survival of species. Water plays a crucial role in our bodies too. Transporting nutrients, regulating temperature, aiding digestion, water is the silent hero of our bodily functions. Water is also a universal solvent. Dissolving more substances than any other liquid, it cleanses our world and nourishes the ecosystem. However, our waters are in peril. Pollution, climate change, overuse, these threats have placed a heavy burden on our precious resource. In conclusion, appreciating the essence of water is paramount. Let's cherish it, conserve it, and ensure its purity for future generations.